This video presents a brief overview of external AF58 aluminium notice boards manufactured by Green Barns Limited. It includes information about the product range, materials used, online purchase process, and examples on location. The AF58 provides the second tier of our range of aluminium notice boards, and as such will appeal to budget-conscious buyers who have requirements which can't be met in full by the AF30 boards. With over 25 years' experience in external notice boards, Green Barns have created the largest available range of external aluminium notice boards from a single supplier in the UK. We have not only off-the-peg boards to meet the vast majority of customers' requirements, but also the ability to apply our tried and tested design solutions, even when customers require something out of the ordinary. AF58 boards are manufactured using a 58mm deep aluminium frame profile with steel back panels and 4mm glazing. They are available in a choice of 8 sizes ranging from A2 up to 21x A4. Frames can either be silver anodized or finished in one of 6 standard powder-coated colours, whilst the standard display is magnetic with a white lacquered finish. All boards are lockable with concealed ventilation to minimise condensation and have weather seals to keep the elements out. Doors incorporate a continuous, extruded hinge which allows vertically hinged doors to be hung on the left or right. The largest, 18 and 21x A4 boards, are fitted with top hinge doors complete with gas stays to support the door when open, giving unhindered access for changing notices. If we refer to the Green Barns website at greenbarns.co.uk, having chosen the broad category of product you require, in this case aluminium boards, you are presented with a further selection of options to choose from. Having chosen the AF58 range, you can visually select your board from the catalogue view, then view information in more detail prior to purchase. Alternatively, you can use the filter options on the sidebar to narrow down the number of items to choose from. This includes price range, dimensions, number of bays, and other parameters. Before we begin the process of selecting your product options using the checkboxes and drop-down menus, it's worth noting the product gallery and the ability to zoom into each of the images to view a little more detail. In addition, there is a set of tabs providing a detailed overview of the product range, its specifications, and available finishes. Here you will also find downloadable PDF information sheets, information on the buying and delivery process, frequently asked questions, guarantee information, and handy quick links to alternative boards. Here we can see that notice board, header and mounting options, and accessories are presented on a series of tabs in a way that guide you through the purchase process while demonstrating all possible configurations of the chosen board. In the Notice Board tab, you are provided with clear choices related to finish, glazing, and display material. Similarly, the Header tab allows you to choose whether or not a header is required, and input details of any text required in addition to specifying font, colour, and a logo. Specifying how the board is mounted is covered in the next tab. Available choices include post, rail, and wall mounted. And there is even the opportunity to specify mounting onto existing posts. When more information is required, you will then be prompted to enter further details. Finally, it is possible to add accessories, including lighting, dedication plates, additional magnets in the case of magnetic boards, extra keys, and other items. This is before being given the opportunity to add any special instructions you may have, such as which side doors hinge and other useful notes you may wish to add. Having completed the specification of your board, it's possible to save all of these choices to a wish list for retrieval and purchase at a later date. Items saved to your wish list can also be printed. This is particularly useful when specifying boards that need authorization or approval by a committee, for example, a parish council. The details can be presented to the committee in printed format, signed off, and the board purchased after retrieval from the wish list. The following images depict a selection of AF58 notice boards and illustrate some of the many purposes for which they are commonly used. Due to the combination of realistic pricing and available options, AF58 boards are popular with a wide variety of users. The following 3 images illustrate AF58 boards used by churches. They provide an idea of their flexibility, ranging from a simple, single wall-mounted board through multiple boards post-mounted in line and a more elaborate arrangement of 2 boards combined with a large, bespoke header. Councils are also frequent users, as shown by the Newmarket and Wolverton images, whilst further examples can be found at recreation grounds, nature reserves, and even the local shop. Hopefully we have provided you with enough information to proceed with your order. However, you can always contact us at sales@greenbarns.co.uk or call us on 01280 701 093 for any additional information and support.